video, you'll learn how to convert a mixed number into a fraction. It's important to know that a mixed number is composed of an integer part, a whole number, and a fraction part, a fraction. For example, in the mixed number 4 and 1/2, there's an integer part, 4 wholes, and a fraction part, 1/2. Now, I'll show you how to convert the mixed number 4 and 1/2 into a fraction. Let's go. First, I have to convert the integer, whole number, into a fraction by putting it over 1. I get 4 over 1. Then I need to add the fractions 4 over 1 and 1/2 together. To do this, I need to make sure that the two fractions have the same denominator. In this example, they don't, so I need to convert the fraction 4 over 1 into an equivalent fraction over 2. I ask myself, what should I multiply 1 by to get 2? 1 times 2 equals 2. Since I multiplied the denominator by 2, I also have to multiply the numerator by 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. So 4 over 1 equals 8/2. Finally, I add the fraction 8 over 2 to the fraction 1/2. I add the numerators first. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Next, I write 2 as the denominator of the answer. I get 9 over 2. There you go. Now we know that the mixed number 4 and 1/2 turns into the fraction 9 over 2. Let's do another example. I'm going to convert the mixed number 8 and 2/3 into a fraction. I'll start by changing the integer into a fraction by putting it over 1. So I get 8 over 1. Then I add the fractions 8 over 1 and 2/3 together. To do this, I need to make sure that the two fractions have the same denominator. So I convert the fraction 8 over 1 into an equivalent fraction over 3. I ask myself, what should I multiply 1 by to get 3? 1 times 3 equals 3. I also multiply the numerator by 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 over 1 equals 24 over 3. Finally, I add 24/3 and 2/3 together. I start by adding the numerators. 24 plus 2 equals 26. I write 3 as the denominator of the answer. I get 26 over 3. That's it. The mixed number 8 and 2/3 is converted into the fraction 26 over 3. There you go. I hope I helped you understand how to convert a mixed number into a fraction. See you next time.